So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems with your network, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're gonna head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on I on your keyboard. Now you want to find internet connection sharing. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart this service. Now once that's been done, see if that works for you. For the next method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, try to disable it and then see if that works. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. And then this should now fix your problem.